what we're going to do is a SealSmart, again on RG6. We have the black sleeve, and this is the RCA. And we're going to show you how to put this on and also use it, the connector itself, as a measuring gauge to know where you're at. So the first thing we want to do is take Big Red and go ahead and strip the cable. Pull our braid back. And then we're going to cut our center conductor no more than 1/4 inch. Make sure we're okay. Again, this part, the ruffled, the knurled, that's if your center conductor is longer than the width of that, it's too long. Put the dielectric right up at this line right here. So if the center conductor is good, also how far do we push it on? Again, set that at that line. Notice where my thumb is, that's where you want to be. So this is your measuring gauge. Center conductor, we're good. Put my thumb right there. And before I push this on, again, roll that foil down so you don't get it hung up. And then take your connector, feel it go on right there. Now push and rotate. And then we have to set the tool on this. I think it's a little different. Guess what? It's about the same as the BNC. So we'll just leave it alone. It's been set, ready to go. And right there, RCA.